Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn on flight notifications on Etihad Airways. First thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I've done right here. How can you create an account on Etihad Airways? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type etihad.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Etihad. Once again, to the official website, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad Airways. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to turn on flight notifications on Etihad. So from your homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have Book, Manage, Experience, Destinations, Help, Etihad Guest, and down to the initial of your name. Mine is M, so click on that name initial. You have this view profile, so go ahead and click on view profile and it's going to take you to your profile window. In there, I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, all right, so we're currently here. You have the personal details, password, contact details, family membership, passenger information, help us know you better, and preferences. So under preferences, I'd like you to click on view all, and now you're in this window after selecting view all. Tell us your preferences. I'd like to hear about, do you want news? And you can check this. So if you want news, to keep updated with the latest news. If you want updates on product and offers, check the box. And if you want research and feedback, check the box. I'd like to hear from other companies within Etihad or Etihad's partners. Go ahead and select that, and I'll prefer to be contacted by email, call, WhatsApp, SMS, and notifications. In this process, we want to enable notifications, so go ahead and click on push notifications if you want that, or even email, call, WhatsApp, SMS, anyone. They're all part of the notifications, but just go ahead and make your preference. After choosing and saving your preference, go ahead and select this, but go ahead and select save preferences. And once you click on save preferences, your notification will now be enabled. That's pretty much it. So this is how you can turn on flight notifications on Etihad Airways. So don't forget, if you need of course flight notifications, you can use check news, products and offers, just anyone. That's just pretty much it. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.